Good day, kids. Our topic for today is solving routine and non-routine problems involving division of whole numbers and decimals, and visualizing the ratio of two given numbers. What are routine problems? Routine problems use at least one of the four arithmetic operations to solve problems that are practical in nature. And what are non-routine problems? Non-routine problems are any complex problems that requires some degree of creativity or originality to solve. They do not have an immediate apparent strategy for solving. It can also be solved in multiple ways. So let us have an example of routine problems. The grade 5 class collected 18 kilograms of old newspaper from different classes. They tied these in 1.5 kilogram bundles. How many bundles did they make? To answer the problem, we have to analyze and follow the steps. Step 1. Understand. So what is asked in the problem? The number of bundles they will have. What are the given facts? 18 kilograms of newspaper and 1.5 kilograms for each bundle. Backwards. 12 times 1.5 is equal to 18. Therefore, the answer is correct. Example 2. A 50 kilogram sack of sugar was repacked into 0.5 kilogram per bag and sold at 25 pesos and 50 centavos per bag. What was the total cost of the sugar? Again, to answer the problem, we have to analyze and follow the steps. Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? The total cost of sugar. What are given? 50 kilograms a sack of sugar, 0.5 kilograms for each bag, and 25 pesos and 50 centavos cost per bag. Step 2. Make a plan. What operations will be used? You will use division and multiplication. Then what is the number sentence? 50 divided by 0.5 times 2550 is equal to n. Step 3. Carry out the plan. Write the solution. So here is your solution. 50 divided by 0.5. You move the decimal point one place to the right, then you'll add 0 to 50. So it will become 500 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 5? So 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. Then bring down 0. So 0 times 5 is equal to 0. What method are you going to use? Listing method and mental computation. Step 3. Carry out the plan. Write the solution. So first we have the listing method. We have 4 25 centavo coin. It is equal to 1 peso. Another 4 25 centavo coin, 1 peso. So you will have 5 pesos. The next thing that you will do is to count the number of 25 centavo coin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there will be 20 pieces of 25 centavo coin in 5 pesos. Next we have the mental computation. There are 4 25 centavos in 1 peso. So if it is 5 pesos, then you multiply 4 times 5. It is equal to 20. So you will get the same answer. Therefore, there are 20 pieces of 25 centavo coin in 5 pesos. Step 4. Look back. Is the answer reasonable? So you have to check. 5 pesos divided by 25 centavo or 0.25. So you will have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. And also 5 pesos. So it will become 500 divided by 25. So 2 times 25 is equal to 50. Subtract it. Then place another 0. So 0 times 25 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Another example of non-routine problem. At a bookstore, regular notebooks sell at 6 pieces for 117 pesos and 60 centavos. The same kind of notebooks are sold by sidewalk vendors at 8 pieces for 120 pesos. Which is the cheaper buy? How much cheaper? So step 1, understand. What is asked in the problem? The cheaper notebook. What are given? 100 pesos and 60 centavos, 120 pesos, 6 pieces and 8 pieces. Step 2, make a plan. What method are you going to use? Division and subtraction. Step 3, carry out the plan. Write the solution. 117 pesos and 60 centavos divided by 6. So how many 6 are there in 11? We have 1. So 1 times 6 is 6. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Bring down 7. How many 6 are there in 57? 9. So 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 57 minus 54 is equal to 3. Then bring down 6. Place a decimal point. How many 6 are there in 36? We have 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract, you will get 0. Then bring down 0. Then 0 times 6 is equal to 0. Next, we have 120 divided by 8. How many 8s are there in 12? 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract 12 minus 8, you will get 4. Then bring down 0. How many 8s are there in 40? We have 5. So 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Then subtract. You will get 0. Then 19 pesos and 60 centavos minus 15 pesos. This is 1960 and this is 15 pesos. So we will get 4 pesos and 60 centavos. Therefore, notebooks sold by the sidewalk vendor were cheaper by 4 pesos and 60 centavos. Step 4, look back. Is the answer reasonable? You can check by working backwards. Next topic, we have visualizing the ratio of two given numbers. So let us first define a ratio. So what is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two different things or numbers. The order in ratio is important. That is, the quantities mentioned in the statement must be in the same order as they are written in symbols. Ratio can be expressed in three different ways, and it is read as, first we have using colon, number phrase, and fraction. Using colon, so it is written as 5 is to 8. And it is read as 5 to 8. Then we have number phrase, 5 to 8, it is read as 5 is to 8. Then we have the fraction, 5:8, read as 5/8. So let's have an example. The ratio of apples to bananas is 5:3. We have 5 apples and 3 bananas. So it is written as 5:3. Or 5:3 or 5/3. Decimals and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools, we can follow the 4-step process. Step 1. Understand the problem. Identify first what is being asked and the given data in the problem. Step 2. Make a plan. Decide on which operations are you going to use and how will you write the number sentence. Step 3. Carry out your plan. Write the solution to the problem to arrive at the correct answer. Affix the correct unit and label. Step 4. Look back. Check if your answer is reasonable. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. It can be written as fraction, number phrase, or with the use of colon. In writing ratios, follow the order of the given quantities.